Hello, long option launching trading strategy. How to analyze stocks, after the market close if you are using long option launching trading strategy. So we are going to analyze the stocks and we are going to use maximum daily chart. The platform is Think of Swim platform. We have the watch list and we are going to analyze those three stocks. So the first one is Fast, and they are highlighted in yellow because we purchased them and we have not sold them yet. So right now, by looking at it, we have the purple line, which is the support line or the long option line. Because of the time frame, it has been touching base with this trend line is the line we like to buy at next time. But for the time being, we purchase it and we have not sold it yet. So Friday, the market closed on Friday, the 14th of February, and the price went down that day. That's why the price is highlighted in red. And because you swing trade or we swing trade on daily using daily chart, every single bar is a daily price bar. So I'm going to go. Having the maximum daily chart will give us a big picture of the chart. Let's go to 1 year daily chart so that we can see the bar without zooming. And Friday, the bar is red. That means the price in the evening at the closing of the market was lower than the price in the morning at the opening of the market. And the green bar is the price in the evening was higher than the price in the morning. The price went up for green bar and the price went down for red bar. So Friday the price went down, because every bar is a daily fluctuation of the price. So we purchased it shortly after it reached the last high, and then the price went down from there, went up a little bit but then pulled back. So it came a little bit close to the trend line we like to buy at next time, but didn't touch base with it and has been going sideways from there. And we traded in 2024 using short option launching trading strategy. The arrow at the bottom shows where we bought it, the one on the top shows where we sold it. So, but yeah, I think we bought it, might be an arrow there, and we sold it and bought it again, and then the price went down. So the price will go up past where we bought it before we sell it. But right now it seems to be going close to the trend line that we like to buy it next time. So we are going to go back to maximum daily chart and we are going to move to the next one. So the next one is FI. So FI, Friday the price went down as well. Because the price bar is red, the price is highlighted in red as well. And it seems to have a kind of a steep climb here, and we traded short term using short trend line swing trading strategy in 2024 quite a bit, but then we bought it again and it pulled back and went up. In fact, we sold it already, so that means we should take that color out of there. And it seems like it is one side of the mountain, and at some point it might do the other side of the mountain, like because the mountain on a 2D has up and down. So this area is quite steep, make me think it could be just, you know, the upside of the mountain, and later it might do the downside of the mountain. Therefore, we prefer to wait on either one of those long trend line to get in. By long up trend line, I mean more than a year. And you can see those, the x-axis has the dates, the y has the price from 0 up, and this is 1 year dotted line, and this is another one. So 2024 is here, and 2025 is on this side. So we can go to 1 year daily chart to see closer. So we bought it somewhere there, and because on 1 year daily chart you can even see a fraction of what is going on. 1 year time frame or year to date time frame. So we are just in a portion of it. We won't see the big picture of the design that the price is drawing. So, but you can see we traded using a short uptrend line swing trading strategy here. Bought it and sold a few times. We bought it again, and that trend ended. It pulled back to this one, and pretty much it's been following this one. So I wanted to extend it, and when I'm extending it, that is where it started. So those 2 points are what I'm aiming. It touched base with this, but come across this one, which is fine. So where it started is what I will have in mind when I'm extending it. 2 points to make a straight line. And so I will say it's been following this trend line. It fell back from there and moved back here, but I will say it's still the upside of the mountain. So this will be the place that I will want it to buy it again. If I'm doing long uptrend line swing trading strategy, let me move it down a little bit so that it's at the bottom of that low there. Then actively I could aim for this area because it kind of dwell there a little bit before taking off. But yes, I'll prefer to wait on this one or the one lower. With long uptrend line swing trading strategy, you may not see your long uptrend line that are longer on the chart if the price is higher up. That's why I prefer to use maximum daily chart. So we are seeing one of the two lines that I like to wait on. So if it fall back on here and start going up from here, we can buy some more. Otherwise, if it pass it down, then we'll be waiting on it at the bottom. So we want to buy at the valley instead of, you know, getting in it at the up, because we do not want to use short uptrend line, because there is a short uptrend line here as well, and then this one. But anyway, we bought it there, and when it reached a new high here, we sold it and got out of it. But it took us a while. When it pulled back on us, it took us some months. If I put it here, it will show November. It took us all the way to February. For the longest time, it was negative in the account because it was below the price level that we pay for it for a while before it went back up. But yeah, so we are going to go back. So Friday, yeah, the price went down that day. We are going to go back to maximum, and we are going to go to the next one. So the next one is FICO. And they are large cap stocks that we are swing trading. So we have a long uptrend line there that is in purple, and then we have this one as well. Let me activate this one. By activating it, I will pay attention to where it starts, where it's touching base, and then with that in mind, I will try to extend it. Okay, so we have almost this one touch it as well. If you use it as a zone, we have 3 touch points, and right now it seems to be going down. We traded in 2024 using a short uptrend line swing trading strategy, and we traded on the upside of the mountain, and we bought it again right after it reached the long uptrend line. When it touched base with the trend line, we thought it's going to go up from there, but then it went down. So maybe it's going towards this trend line, but you can see that it seems to be level, and then it climb and have a steep mountain. So if you reach this and start going up, that's what we'll want it to buy. I just don't know if we'll buy more while we have some already, but if we do that, we will wait for the price to go past the first purchase level before we sell it. Pretty much we'll be aiming for the next high. So, but yeah, we will be, yeah. So now let's, and Friday the price went down Friday as well. So let's go to let's go to 1 year daily chart. So on 1 year daily chart, you can only see one mountain, and as you can see clearly, after the fact, we are on the upside of the mountain. Body, sold it, and so forth, and we bought it again when it pulled back to the trend line, but it didn't go, at the green bar after a pullback, thinking it's going to go back up, but it didn't. So, and it started going down, and it could well be coming to this trend line. But yes, so this conclude how you can analyze the chart for swing trading if you are using long uptrend line swing trading strategy. By looking at all those 3, none of them will be purchased today because they are way far from the trend line we like to buy at. They need to reach the trend line and start going up from there before we buy. And if we go to the strategy we are using, you are analyzing the chart after the market close or early in the morning before the market open. And it's good to have a watch list of stocks. That's your library of stocks that you like to trade, and just trade from it. You handpick those stocks, and we have videos on how you can create your own stock watch list. And they are not just a watch list you create for the week, but you use that watch list for year around. And at the end of the year, throughout the year, the stocks that you traded you didn't have a good experience with, you can take note next to them, and at the end of the year you can take them out, and you can go back to your master list, your curated master list, and see stocks that you want to pull from there and add it to your watch list. So your watch list will be a shorter and a small number of stocks that you like to trade. And I will say, as for the number of stocks you have on your watch list, as many as you can analyze within an hour every day. And you use daily chart, and the goal is to trace your long uptrend lines. Those are your entry point. Those are where you want to buy. You are not going to buy exactly at the line, but you are going to buy after the stocks reach that line and start going up, pull back, went up and pull back. So after you have about two or so higher lows, you get in. So that gives you that just tells you that it is about to go up. It's down going down, so you want that confirmation that it's down going down, although it could turn around and go back down as well. But you just want to to minimize the probability of that happening every time you buy a stock. With long option and swing trading strategy, when you buy the stocks at the trend line, at the long trend line, is at the lowest price that you are going to get in at the trend line, even if you are using a short up trend line. Is the valley of the mountain. When you are using the long up trend line swing trading strategy, you are buying at the valley of the mountain, and then you claim the mountain, the upside of the mountain with the price, and you'll be able to accumulate a lot of profit along the way. And when you reach a new high, you sell. Because this strategy we are using upward large cap stocks, they reach new high often or frequently. Therefore, you reach a new high, you sell and you get out, and you wait for it. When it comes back, you wait for it to do the downside of the mountain, and when it reach the valley and start going up again, you buy that stock again. That is the strategy we are using. Thank you so much for watching our videos. For more videos related to swing trading, will you please check the description of the video? We have the list of the playlist there with the URL. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in our soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Thank you. Thank you.